Hi, in this video let me show you how to fix a black screen on your MacBook Air M5. So in case nothing is happening on the screen, no matter which button you're pressing, I'll show you a few solutions. So solution number one is very simple. You see over here on the top right corner of the keyboard, this is the Touch ID button. What you need to do is to keep press on it for around 15 seconds. All right, so let's do it together. I'll show you my screen. Now, I don't have the black screen problem. Okay, this is just a demonstration, but I will keep press on this button, and no matter if the screen pops up, doesn't matter. Okay, keep it press 15 seconds. Okay, we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, lift your finger. At this point, your MacBook should be turned off, even though you may not have noticed anything. Next step, after lifting your finger after 15 seconds, wait around 5 seconds, and then keep press on the same button, the Touch ID button, until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. Then you can lift your finger. So I'm keeping press. Okay, the Apple logo appeared. I can lift my finger, and usually the black screen will disappear. You'll be able to log in your Apple account, your account of your Mac. Here we go, and everything will be good afterwards. Now, if you're still having issues, another thing you can do, imagine the screen is black here, is to try charging your computer using another charger than the one that you usually use and another cable. And I will go as far as saying to try charging it using another wall outlet. If you're using a power bar like this wall, forget about it. Connect your computer to another outlet in the house. This is just to eliminate, okay, in case one of these three broke, because over time the USB cable that came included with it will cease to work. Sometimes the power brick over here that comes included stops working, and sometimes even your wall outlet, okay, I don't know why, but yeah, it stops working. So by charging your computer a different way, completely different, we will just make sure that these are not causing the issue. So connect your computer to the charging cable over here, and I would suggest, okay, your screen is probably black, I would suggest that you wait at least a few hours. If you can leave it like this overnight, this will be the best. Okay, leave it, and then to power on your computer, imagine it has a black screen. You're gonna keep it connected to power after many hours of charging, and do the same thing. Keep press this button 15 seconds, lift your finger, wait 5 seconds, and keep press again on it until you see the Apple logo. I hope this was useful. If you have any other tips on how to fix the issue, please leave a comment in the section down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.